Hello. Welcome to Fundu Tester. In this, we are going to discuss about the put, fetch, and delete HTTP request. We will see how we can execute this request in a Postman and what are the difference between these three HTTP methods. In last session, we discussed about a get and post HTTP methods. If you are new to the Fundu Testers, don't forget to like and share this video and give a subscribe.
Camera rolling action.
Here in last session, we discussed about a post request and we have created a one using a name, Morphus and job title leader. And here we can see the response is 201 and this is the response body we got. The similar way from this website, we are going to use first we are going to work on a put request. So what is the difference between the put and post? Basically, post request is being used to create a new resources, and whatever resource we have created and we wanted to update that resource, for that we are using a put request that we discussed during the theory part. Now, how can I come to know that I have created that user or not? So based on the unique user ID, for each and every request or each and every resources we are creating should have some unique data. Like for example, you are coming to my college and you will ask me where is a Nissan to college staff. They will connect with me. But if I'm not studying in that particular college and you are going to the random college and you will ask where is a Nissan, so they cannot find a Nissan. So similar way, if we have created a user on a database, then that user will have a particular user ID. So here basically we have created this user and user ID is 2. Along with the endpoint, we are passing this user ID 2 with the put request. So we'll see how this can be done. So here we are copying this and we are creating a new tab. Here we have to specify put request and we are passing this along with a user ID 2. And the body will be similar. Put request and post request will share the similar body. Here we have to pass the body. None, we have selected a row and then we have to select here JSON. So I'm pasting this. And this time I wanted to update a name. So I'm updating a name as a Fundu Testers and I'm hitting this request. So I can see the updated at this particular time, and for a post it was showing created at this, and for a post request we got a ID because first time we have created that particular user, but this time here we haven't received ID with the response body because this is the put request and we have updated this resource. We have already passed, we already know the ID which is a 2. So like this put request will work. Now we will see how fetch request will work. So here I am going to copy this and we are going to update the same user. So here the base URI will be same. We have to pass the same path parameter as a 2, but here we have to select a page and the body we are going to pass. Now what is the difference between the major difference between the put and fetch request is, along with the put request we are going to pass the entire body. So in this we have 2 parameters. So we have to pass 2 parameters with the put request as well. But for a post, whatever value we wanted to update, we need to pass that value only. So if I wanted to update the name, so I need to pass only name. No need to pass a job title, which was a SDate or leader. We have seen here we have passed a leader, but that is not required because we are triggering a page request. So here also we can see for a page request, it is basically passing a multiple data, but we have to pass basically for a page request we have to pass only 1 or 2 key value pairs. If we have 10 and if we wanted to update 2 key value pairs, then we need to pass those only 2 key value pairs. So let me trigger this request and on 2. So it is updated the name value. Basically from the Fundu Testers I am passing a Nissan, and if I am hitting, then it has updated the name value. So like this page request will work. The base URI and almost there won't be major changes, but only for a page we are passing required key value pairs which needs to be updated, and for a put request we are passing an entire request body which we have passed in a post as well. So post and put share the similar request body, and for a page we are passing only key and value pair which needs to be updated. So this is the critical interview questions and oftenly being asked during the interview. So if you are going for API testing interview, you should be clear about what is the difference between the put and page HTTP method. Now we are going to work on a delete. So for a delete, we have discussed earlier, for delete we are not passing any body. It will have a path or query parameter, that's all. So here I am copying this. We are going to delete the two user IDs. We have to select here delete method and need to simply send. So it is saying 2.4 content not available. But ideally it should show a response like a success, user has been deleted, something like that. But the same way we can hit the delete request. Now the question is, if I wanted to trigger duplicate put, page and delete method, then we can do yes. For all these three, we can hit the same request with the same data multiple times. It won't have any impact. So let's see that as well in action. So for a put request, let's say I'm passing this data and I'm trying to pass the same data multiple times. So first time I'm passing this data and you can see here timestamp 12496. It is ending with 12496. If I'm passing again the same data, I'm not making any changes, the same data triggering, timestamp has been updated, the data has been same. So basically it will override the data. So put request we can hit multiple times. Similar way for a page request, we can trigger multiple times. So there is no harm. It will basically override the data. And delete also we can hit multiple times, because first time user got deleted, then server will not find that user and there won't be any action from the second time. So basically we can hit delete request multiple times as well. I hope this is the clear, and as a homework, I request you to execute this API. Go to this particular website, find a page put and delete methods, understand the theory, execute on a Postman, and if you stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I hope everything is clear, and in next video we are going to move with another concept of a Postman. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.